Here, we are doing an autopsy on the cached kill of some sort of small dromaeosaurid, maybe likely a velociraptor due to the small nature of the prey. We believe the prey is a Spiscutosaurus. I'm not saying that correctly. And we believe this due to its ceratopsian-like beak and its general skull shape. It appears to have been decapitated. We only found a small piece of the tail and finger or toe. On the head itself, we believe it died quickly due to a mix of blood loss and shock. And due to some actual data collected from some other scientists, this is a relatively new wound. This was the oldest wound on the body, and this was the newest wound on the body. This blood is some of the older blood. It appears the animal was attacked in the chest and was hit somewhere vital, like the lungs or heart. We believe it was the lungs or heart due to the blood coming from its mouth and nostrils. We also believe it died relatively quickly, painfully, and was split between a group of 4 or 5 velociraptors. The animal was a female that was in her early 20s, which is fairly elderly for these species. We know the animal died relatively recently due to the intactness of the body with relatively no decay. And it appears the group that found it, consisting of a handful of our fellow R.O.P.E employees, engineers, found the corpse, and likely, due to their banter, spooked off the turkey-sized raptors. There were, after all, 4 of them, and 5 raptors. Raptors could have taken them on, but must have sounded like a much bigger threat than they were. And it appears we know very little about this caching behavior because we don't know where the body itself is, the legs or most of the arms, which means they cached most of the body in other locations. R.O.P.E. Autopsy log 457 out.